Today we're going to be going over the 8 pieces of brocade while we're seated. We're going to do this in 2 different videos so that way you can make sure you can spend your time on it and make sure we get it right. First 4 postures of the 8 pieces of brocade. The first one is called the triple heater. We're going to inhale, rise our fingertips up the body, rotate, press them up to the sky, relax and bring your palms down. We will repeat. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Next posture is called splitting heaven and earth. You're going to raise our hands out. You're going to come to your right side first, right hand down, left hand up. Bring your palms together as you split. Look over the right shoulder as you exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. The next posture is called bending bow and shooting golden arrow. We are going to reach across the right hand, put our left hand as the arrow by our bicep. Pull the string back, release the arrow. Keep your vision on the arrow. Other side, inhale, 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 exhale, 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 exhale. Again, inhale, 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 exhale, exhale, exhale. Inhale, 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 exhale, 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 exhale. Inhale, 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 exhale, exhale, exhale. Very good. Very good. The next one we're going to do is we're going to tilt our head to our left. Look all the way down, all the way to the right to look up at the ceiling. Tip down, inhale as we bring our head to the other side. Exhale as we bring our head up. And repeat. Very good.